Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw, and in today's video I will show you on how to save CorelDraw file as SVG file using your CorelDraw. Whatever format or whatever version of CorelDraw you are using, you can actually get this thing done without any stress. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. Then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Save As. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to select your file destination. So in this tutorial, I'm sending it to this particular file, and you can see you can name your file or you can rename it as the case may be. Next thing you want to do is to click on here where you have CorelDraw right here. So here, this is where you need to make sure you look for scalable vector graphics, which is also known as SVG. So click on that. So having select SVG file, then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you hit on save right here. So having click on save, this is going to pump up right here. Then we have different compatibility right here. So click on here and choose your compatibility. You can either choose 1.0 or better still 1.1. So I'm going to put it to 1.0. Then encoding match right here. Make sure you choose the any version of your choice. So right here, I'm going to choose the internal. Then here you have the document file settings right here. Then here you can simply go ahead and make sure you click on PNG format. You can either make it JPEG bitmap or GIF bitmap or PNG bitmap. So I'm going to put it in JPEG bitmap right here. So link images, embedded images. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and come down below right here, and then make sure you hit on OK. And the file has saved successfully. It's that simple. So this is how to save your file from Corel file to SVG, which is also known as scalable vector graphics in CorelDraw without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.